Mays. Happy February 1st. So today, I just made this up myself yesterday, but I'm gonna try to make this go viral. But I made this challenge up myself where I don't play with my slime for 6 months. Yes, 6 months. This month through July. Yeah, July. So online I've been seeing people fixing up their old slimes from 6 months to a year or a day old slime. Mom gave me this tote. Yeah, I've probably seen this slime on Instagram that I posted. I haven't seen this slime on my channel. So here's all of my bracelets I made. So this one I just made a brown one. I'll give that away to my cousin. I made this nice green one. This goes nice with my camo shorts. Just basically the same, it's bigger. This is one of my personal favorites. And it's just how I grade it, like this and this. But bubblegum slime. Let's open it. Oh, yes. Finally got some slime on the top of mine. I wanted to do that. I wanted to do that. Wait. Like a little ASMR. So here's my slime. It kind of smells good because I added lotion. That's how I'm smelling it. But other than that, the challenge starts now. So every month I will do a update. So I record. So today's day one of not playing with my slime. But the challenge starts right now. And all these bracelets, let's put them on. My personal favorite is probably the black and the green one, I guess. This one, the one with the buckle. So I like the mini buckles because it's not as big and bulky. And this one, it's basically a simple lid. But, so the challenge started right now. So I want all of y'all to try this challenge. And yes, what time is it? It's literally, I hate when my battery does that. 7 in the morning. But, so that's the challenge. And hopefully you guys will do it. And bye.